Hello everyone, today I have a healthy dinner. Kingfish steak fried with crispy rice and tomato sauce together with vegetables and fish sauce. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. In order to fry the fish, you need to remove any wet spot because when the water hit the oil, it will be flashing and exploding. So I use a paper towel to dry them. And this is my oil. I heat the oil with lemongrass stalks. They do the purpose, the lemongrass does the purpose of flavor the oil, and it's like a cushion and at the bottom of the wok so that the fish don't stick into the bottom. So I just rub them in and let it cook to be golden brown both sides, about 4-5 minutes each side. But you need to watch your fish. I don't know your oil temperature, your stove, so you need to watch that until they golden brown both sides. One side, add one side, and then you flip to the other. And this is my crispy rice. I just rinse the rice and cook in my cast iron skillet, and I get it low at low heat of, and then it form a crispy rice like that. And this is my tomato sauce. I will include the links in the description box below for you to see how I make the tomato sauce. This time of year, my tomato in the garden blooming, and I have two tomato. It's called Everglades. They are such cute little tomato. Whenever I like to eat them, I just come out of my patio and pick them up and wash them and pops in my mouth. That's a fresh sensation, and they are so cute. I love them very much. Here I scatter them around to do the garnish. When we eat all together, I can pick one and by one and pops in my mouth together with everything. I also have some of the onion. I slice them a little bit and I scatter them as well. If you don't like rice, you can use pasta or bread to eat with. So my bottom fish already golden brown and firm. When you cook it for a while, they are formed to flip very easy for giving. So while waiting to cook the other side, now I arrange the Romaine lettuce on my plate, and I already sliced my cucumbers. Those cucumbers are pickles. Cucumber, I just love pickles cucumbers. They are sweet, they are small and crunchy. And the Roman lettuce, I just went to the market today, the farmer market. So I bought vegetables from the farmers, and they are so fresh and cheap. I love them. Okay, I decided to put the Everglades tomato here. You see how cute they are? Now let's place the fish on the rice. If you're interested to see how I cook the rice, you come back and see other videos I will upload and show you how to do that. But it's very easy. You just wash and rinse the rice and add water to the rice and the water to the skillet, and cook it on low heat for a long time, and they form the cake like that. Now I decided to move my tomato, and here is a fish sauce. So it's beautiful, and it's time to eat now. I invite you to join me. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon on the next video. I hope it helps you something. Bye bye.